Yeah. Push the mash it on. Mash it. Mash it. Mash it. Now you gotta hold it.
Gotta push it hard.
Or break it.
Let me see. Okay. Ready? Wait a minute. Raise it up a little higher. Right there. Ready? Now mash it. That's hard. Okay, that's good. That's good.
She's so focused.
Okay. Yeah, I think she got it.
Woo!
You gotta do it. See, look at it.
Let me
See what you
see.
think.
Oh, that's why she ain't took the picture. She making a video.
You gotta hold the camera like this.
Hi guys, today is Father's Day. Jalea wants to vlog. Here you go.
Hi guys, it's Father's Day, and today the winner is Jeremy Train.
I know Jeremy did too. Now you got it too, didn't you?
Everyone. So the first winner is
You throw your back though.
Jeremy Train.
You wanna show Jeremy Crane?
And the second one is Papa Mart.
That's nasty.
Here.
Papa Mart, you're
Turn it
supposed to
around and you
come
can show
out.
everybody too.
Thank y'all.
See everyone. Here, your mommy has to go take a test now. Tell all the vloggers bye. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.